Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday for the gold, and yeah, it's exploding. As we're not very surprised, right? We were expecting this, but it's nice to see it, of course. And yeah, a very successful starting for me as well with the gold. So very nice timing. And we are looking for a massive impulse here. So we have 1 2 1 2, and we have another double 1 2 for the wave 3 starting from there. We have 3 4 5, and finally 4 and a 5. And this wave 5, of course, not finished yet. Still need one more leg, kind of like this. I believe the 1.61 it can be easily reached with this wave 5. And in this case scenario, this wave 5, of course, moving there. This is your wave 4, wave 3, therefore, in the yellow scenario. And wave 5 also finished over there. So we're looking actually, 1 second, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. No, the wave 3, my friends, is here. Yeah, very chaotic. Many 1 2s, and here we go. So we have we have 4 5 over each other. So blue box overlapped, meaning of course expanding to the 1.618 potentially. And yeah, very nice price action for the gold. And based on the Nasdaq, of course, and the stock market, they are moving massively toward the downside. Therefore, it's a very clear signal for the gold that it is moving for higher. We're looking for the 4,000 as a next target, but basically, of course, I mean, you know me, step by step, always keep the things, yeah, step by step. Now, this is a final confirmation. It doesn't mean that you don't have to take the trade. Of course, no financial advice. I'm already in, for example, but I'm mentioning this. It's just to be still safe. Yeah, there is still one step to pass to confirm the 90% bullish scenario here that we are breaking out of this triangle. To break out of this triangle, we need the 3,450 taking this high, ensuring that, of course, we're moving for higher. Even if it was taken at the end of the impulse, it doesn't matter. Of course, this is going to be a wave 2, then continuation simply towards the upside, but simply we take, of course, this level as a confirmation that sooner or later is going to continue towards the upside. So yeah, the things are unfolding pretty nice for the gold, I would say. There is a scenario even, guys, I'm just looking right now. There is even a scenario that it can be very, even much more bullish. It can be even that we can take this as a 1 2 3 4 5 wave 1, wave 2, and then 1 2 3 4 5 wave 1 again, wave 2, and now we're moving, of course, for a massive wave 3. So meaning you finished here kind of like W, X, and a Y. Yeah. So very interesting, of course, very interesting. It can be. So we're gonna have to keep this in mind. And to keep this in mind, I'm gonna put here some question mark for wave 1 as a wave 1. Here we go. We're gonna put it a little bit smaller. And yeah, just to keep it in mind that this might be, of course, a case scenario. I'm gonna label this offline, not during the video, but yeah, it is a possibility, meaning what we might have here, after finishing this wave 5 here, we might move down a little bit for wave 4, then wave 5 again, then wave 4, then wave 5 again, okay? And they might be very impulsive and very high, because this might turn all of it at the end, yeah, as something like a wave 3. It's gonna become fractal, guys. Yeah, so this is a concept of Elliott wave impulses. It becomes a fractal. So every 5 waves become like a wave 3, for example, then make wave 3 waves after it, and then a new 5 waves up. So things becomes fractal, as we call it, as per the concept of Elliott wave. So very interesting price action. Right now we see already, of course, a finished 1 2 3 4 5. wave 3. So let's put some targets for a wave 4. Yes, so in case that we still have one leg or not, okay, I'm gonna put a little bit here around it, of course, where we might bottom again for wave 4 in the blue scenario. And that because, of course, this target might shift with whether you have a little bit higher prices or not. Okay, so be careful with it when you place it. Don't take it 100% here as a numbers, but I have to give it to you because it's gonna be fast. Of course, I cannot update this again. So yeah, I'm gonna put it here around the 1.618. Okay, so I'm looking for the 3,400. 3,400 would be a nice target, of course, to come back here for a wave 4 in the blue scenario. Yeah. I'm expecting, of course, a potential wave 4 can be, yes, it has to be deep. It has to be a deep one, so be careful. It might go back even 3,398. So 3,400 is a perfect, I would say. Yeah? Inside this blue box would be a perfect target as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Then continuation towards higher prices again. Yep, so we're gonna watch and see. Of course, the timing as well might be taking also time, but don't forget if it is deep and it might unfold a zigzag, the zigzag might be fast. Okay, it might be fast, meaning 0.618 can be very possible to be hit, yeah, somehow like this, and moving directly for higher prices again. That was it for the gold for the intraday. Happy days. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.